I'm taking a break from the 2 different gigs that I'm working right now, which prevented me from making a video last weekend, which I will discuss at a future date. And I figured I would show you guys a little bit of behind the scenes of the graveyard now that it's set up. Or I guess I should say cemetery, not graveyard. There's no church. There's a difference. Anyhow, enough being a cemetery dork. Let me turn the camera around and I'll show you what we've got set up. So here is our cemetery. It doesn't really look like much during the daytime. I mean, it's got all of the things you would expect to find in a cemetery. Because of time constraints, this isn't exactly how we normally do it, but it's the best we could do. And, I'll be updating it as we get closer to Halloween, with time permitting. But enough about that. Let me step inside and I'll show you a bit more as far as how everything is connected. So as you can see, there's plenty of cords and the like running behind, which thankfully are all hidden from view during the nighttime hours. But I guess here's as good as any place to start. Hidden speaker and part of our RCA connector setup with a splitter here so that I can run a candle from this side, which is LED based. And they all kind of daisy chain together. So, it starts in the front column and makes its way all the way to the back here behind Charlotte, our statue, and then kind of goes from Tombstone down and across, and then around this way and here to another junction spot, and then behind a tombstone or two, all the way up here to the front. And not only are there candles connected to this setup, but I also have a lantern, which has a small LED bulb, flicker bulb inside. And there's the little splitter again. And then from the front column, we have everything that's powering this opposite side as well. So you can see it's a bit of a rat's nest. But don't tell anybody. And that comes around this way. And some of it is hidden behind tombstones. The haunted radio with its RCA connector for audio and a standard electrical socket to control the lights that are inside. And a few pumpkins. And then, with all that talk about motivated lighting, here's some of those amber spotlights that are connected to a flicker circuit, which I discussed in an earlier video. One's pointed to this Archibald tombstone, and the other pointed over here to this monument to kind of help improve the overall glow of the candlelight. Sort of jumping back over to this side, this is one of the rocking tombstones, which there's a video on how this was made way back on the channel. And another one of those amber LEDs that is pointing up at our monument to help accentuate the two candles that are perched on the base. And then, let's see, what else? We have another hidden speaker over here. and a second hidden speaker over here. And the speaker in the far back is just doing music and crickets. And this speaker here does our spatial audio ghost sounds that play in tandem with the haunted radio. Let me swing around here. We need to get her a new flower, because that blue one is just not cutting it. What else? As you can see here, the Novastella floodlights, which I absolutely love. And, looks like we've got a visitor. You never know who you'll meet this time of the year. And then in that big red and orange bush there in the corner, there's another speaker hidden in there that plays our soundtrack as well. And then down in the far corner here is another one of the Novastella lights. So that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Send me a message. I will gladly share all of my secrets.